Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, just open Settings. Now you need to click on Bluetooth section over here and select this gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Following that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to choose pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this icon next to the device and tapping on pair at the bottom. If you wish to connect to the same one again, just click on it and follow all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!